Lovely, welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. It's amazing to be in the kitchen. Anyway, quick one. Spinach. A nice good handful of spinach inside of a Ninja blender. Get a double ripe banana. If you can get your banana in the freezer, it's even better. Remove the skin and freeze them. Break it up. Put it straight inside of a Ninja blender like this. I'm gonna put a handful of the curly K. Ices. I know for sure the ice definitely works really well with the curly K and the spinach. Some water. Some honey. A few more pieces of ice. Cover. Blend this about 3 to 4 minutes. Good to go. Alright guys, let's make a little bit of noise. Nice and lovely. Just finished blend it. Come out lovely and nice. Here it is. That is amazing recipe. Look at that. Really fine in it and smoothie and looking good. Not only that, put on a little bit of spinach at the side just to make everything look normal and look nice and colorful. Enjoy the recipe. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. We got a lot more recipe and a lot more ideas will be coming from you. This is from Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.